This is just a short video to show how to set the Gwaza bird scarer. It works on an electronic timer. It allows you to set the time of day, the start time and the end time, and then obviously the sequence of your shots. There is the ability to test the function first. You press this control test button, you hold it for anywhere between 5 to 10 seconds, and you will hear the mechanism activate and click. Very important, do not have the applicator connected to the gas cylinder, as if so you will actually fire the bird scarer. At all time, make sure that you're wearing a set of ear defenders, which should there be an accidental discharge, will protect your ears. Gwaza supplies a set of ear defenders with each and every bird scarer. Okay, now if we select how to work the timing, you switch the machine on, press the little red button inside the housing. It's now on. We've already set this time, so it's showing you the time. But for your selections, you press the selection button, shows you which value you are setting. In this case, we're setting the time. The hour is already set to 9 o'clock. Quick press, you get to the minutes. You change that as you need to, or up. Press the selection button again, that will give you the starting time. We're going to change that to 9 o'clock. Selection button again gives you the minutes, and we'll set that to start at 9:05. Selection button again gives you the ending time. We'll, for argument's sake, set that to 12:05. Shot interval, it defaults automatically to 5 minutes. We've decided we want to set ours for 9. And then random shots. Do you want 1 or 2? We've decided 1. And it will be a double shot. That's your timing set, and your bird scarer is ready to operate. The tripod stand is very easy to assemble. Basically it comes with the legs separately from the top mount. These are just fitted with a simple bolt with a wing nut screw system. Always ensure that the angle of the feet are angled internally. This means it will rest securely and flat. You pull the legs out to the maximum width. The next item we have, which comes with the tripod, is this shroud that you can see. It comes with 3 bolts and wing nuts. You take the barrel of the bird scarer, take it off the body, drill 3 holes in the appropriate place, and then you fix the shroud. This is so that when the gas emerges, it strikes and it causes the bird scarer to turn in the desired direction. Mounting the bird scarer on the tripod, you take the bird scarer, you fit it inside the plate, it fits inside. Just get it the right way around, helps. You then take this flat plate which is supplied with it, that fits over the nut like that. And you fasten that on, hand tight. The bird scarer is now securely mounted to the frame. Take the chain, which is also supplied together with the tripod. There's a D-shackle or a carbine hook which is supplied together. Fit that around the handle of the gas, and then you hang it from the tripod at a height that allows you to connect the gas regulator with the gas.